Good morning and thank you for joining us today as we celebrate the official opening of Gregory Hills Montessori Academy.
Congratulations on what you've done and for the future of our children here in Camden.
It's great to see so many welcoming and enthusiastic staff who really obviously make the centre what it is, and wishing you and all the families who are lucky enough to be here such an amazing future over the next coming years as they grow and become part of our community.
I feel honoured to walk this journey with you. Thank you for trusting us with the care and education of your children. I look forward to meeting each of you as we begin this exciting new chapter together. Thank you and welcome to Gregory Hills Montessori Academy.